Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. This single thermal image is worth $2 million. See those tiny red spots? Human inspectors missed them for 18 months, while they silently destroyed an entire solar farm section. But there's a technology that catches these problems in real time, 24/7, without ever missing a single defect. It's called AI agents, and today I'm showing you exactly how they're revolutionizing solar operations worldwide. Every day, solar installations lose $50,000 per minute from problems humans can't detect fast enough. In the next 7 minutes, you'll discover what AI agents actually are and why solar desperately needs them. The 3 types of AI agents every solar operation should deploy. Why companies using these systems gain a 6-month advantage over competitors. And the exact checklist to determine if your solar operation is ready for AI agents. Here's what the solar industry doesn't want you to know. While solar capacity exploded 400% in 5 years, our ability to manage these installations properly hasn't kept pace. We're trying to manage gigawatt-scale complexity with systems designed for kilowatt operations. The numbers are staggering. One 100-megawatt solar farm has over 300,000 individual components that can fail. Manual inspection of this same farm takes 3 weeks. By then, problems cost 10 times more to fix. Traditional monitoring systems only catch 60% of performance issues. The average solar installation operates at just 85% of its potential capacity. This isn't just inefficiency, it's millions in lost revenue hiding in plain sight. So, what exactly are AI agents? Think of them as digital employees that never sleep, never miss details, and get smarter every day. Unlike basic software that follows simple commands, AI agents are autonomous systems that perceive their environment through sensors and cameras, make intelligent decisions using machine learning, take action automatically without human intervention, and learn and improve from every interaction. In solar operations, these agents become your inspection agent. Flies drones autonomously, analyzes thousands of panels per hour, and identifies over 15 types of defects with 99% plus accuracy. Performance agent monitors every string in real time, predicts equipment failures 3 to 6 months in advance, and optimizes energy production continuously. Operations agent manages work orders, schedules maintenance teams, coordinates with weather systems, and handles compliance reporting automatically. The game changer? These agents work together, sharing information and coordinating actions like a highly efficient team that never takes breaks. The solar industry is at a critical inflection point. Here's why AI agents aren't optional anymore. First, let's talk about the scale explosion. Utility-scale projects now routinely exceed 500 megawatts. That means you're looking at 1.5 million panels requiring management. No human team can handle this complexity efficiently, no matter how good they are. Then there's performance pressure. Every 1% performance improvement on a 100-megawatt farm generates $500,000 in additional revenue annually. AI agents routinely achieve 15 to 25% improvements, which is just huge. And let's not forget the talent shortage. 67% of solar companies report they can't find qualified technicians. AI agents multiply the effectiveness of existing teams by 300 to 400%. Competition is heating up too. Early adopters are already capturing market share. Companies deploying AI agents can bid 20 to 30% lower while maintaining higher margins. Finally, regulatory demands are rising. Grid operators increasingly require real-time response capabilities that only AI systems can provide consistently. Every solar operation needs these 3 AI agent types. Type 1. Predictive intelligence agents. These agents analyze patterns in your performance data, weather systems, and equipment behavior to predict problems before they happen. Instead of reacting to failures, you prevent them entirely. The potential benefits here include a 70% reduction in emergency maintenance calls, equipment lifespan extension of 15 to 25%, and maintenance cost reduction of 40 to 60%. Type 2. Autonomous inspection agents. These agents handle the physical monitoring of your installations using drones, IoT sensors, and computer vision. They work around the clock and catch problems human inspectors miss. The potential benefits? 90% reduction in inspection costs, 300% faster problem detection, and over 99% accuracy in defect identification. Type 3. Operations Optimization Agents. These agents manage your daily operations, from scheduling maintenance to optimizing energy production to handling paperwork and compliance. With these, you get a 50% reduction in administrative time, a 25% improvement in overall productivity, and an 80% faster response to grid demands. Here's what most people don't understand about implementing AI agents. It's not about replacing humans. It's about amplifying human capabilities. The most successful deployments follow this pattern. Start with one agent type that's focused on your biggest pain point. Integrate with existing systems gradually over 3 to 6 months. Train your team to supervise and optimize agent performance. Then, scale to additional agent types once the first proves its return on investment. Companies taking this approach typically see positive ROI within 90 days, a 3-to-1 to 5-to-1 return on investment within 12 months, and the ability to manage 200 to 300% more capacity with existing staff. Plus, you get market competitive advantages that last 2 to 3 years. The key insight here: AI agents don't just solve today's problems, they prepare you for tomorrow's opportunities. The solar industry is splitting into two groups: companies leveraging AI agents and companies getting left behind. The window for early adopter advantage is closing fast. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.